Hi, I'm Kelvin, I'm an architect.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn and I'm a banker.
This is our 5-room HDB flat. Welcome to our home. This is the entrance foyer. So what I've done is to intentionally lower the false ceiling and narrow the width of the corridor. So while you walk towards the living area through this corridor, the space slowly unfolds up to you. The tapered edge of the ceiling allows the space to continue opening towards the mirror. The TV console is designed to be low sitting so that the whole space looks taller. One of the key design considerations from the beginning was that we wanted to create a sense of openness throughout the spaces. So as you can tell, the living, the study, and the dining all open up to each other. For a sense of continuity, the coffee table is customized using the same tiles as the floor. Concrete is often seen as a very strong material. Curves are introduced at some areas to soften the look. Large format tiles is used for the entire house as it reduces the number of grout lines and allows the space to look bigger. There are three main colors in this design: black, grey, and brown. For example, black is used to highlight special features and spaces. The tile lines are carefully curated such that the floor, the walls, the ceiling, and the carpentry elements are in line.
I really love the kitchen island. It is the center of our living space. This is where we host, gather, and dine.
The kitchen cabinet is intentionally floating above the floor to give a sense of lightness. This is our study room. To your left is our study table, and to your right is a display shelf for my collectibles. This room also double acts as a guest room, so when privacy is needed, these doors can be retracted.
This is my favorite part of the room. The space is highlighted by timber laminate that is set in against a backdrop of black.
In all, I think the home should be a place to relax and wind down after work, and I think we've achieved that intention.
Yeah, and I really love the home.